What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of chromium chloride. Chromium is $51.996 and chlorine is 35.45. We need to multiply it by 3. So this one is 51.996 and this one is 106.35, and then you add them together, make it 158.346 grams per mole. That's the molar mass or molecular weight of chromium chloride. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.